friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome, welcome back. I am so happy to see you. Today we are doing a good old-fashioned thrift haul. It's not a huge mega thrift haul or anything, but these are items that I hand selected at the thrift store that I think I can sell for at least 25 bucks. If I'm going to go into Goodwill and pay $6 for a pair of pants, I want to know that I can sell it for around the 25 mark, at least so that I can make some profit when I sell it on Poshmark, eBay, or if I sell it to Thredup. There's a couple bolos in here, one kind of interesting one, so I want to make sure you know about that. So when you're outsourcing, you can find things that you can make the most amount of money on in your reselling business. If you're new, I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I have another channel, The Grateful Therapist, if you're interested in mental health content. I've been selling for 10 years on eBay, and I've been on Poshmark for a few years. I sell my digital products on Etsy, and I sell to Thredup, and my links for all that stuff are in the description section below. Let's start with a little Lululemon, shall we? I got these two items, this cool bolo I'll talk about, and then this item at the Hospice thrift store. Super cute. I have to tell you kind of a funny story about this. Look at this. In case anyone doesn't know, there's the Lululemon symbol. You want to memorize it because it's a very high-end activewear line, but often the tags are cut out because they use hang tags, which are really annoying, so most people kind of cut those out. You have to always find the size dot on these things, and this one still has it, and this is a newer piece, and I'll tell you why I know. So this was in where you put the bra cups, and it's a size 8, and then if you look all around that size 8, I wonder if my super fancy camera can get this for you. There you go. All around the size 8 are numbers and letters. If I put those into Google, Lululemon, and these numbers, then I can find the style name. And that's really helpful because it has a cult following, this brand, and people like their pieces. Now, I got this and I'm like, oh, I might be able to squeeze into an 8. I should have known right then. I'm laughing. But the thing about it that was challenging is that I'm a very curvy size 12-ish, and it has this mesh inset at the top, so it was like really revealing. So I don't know comps on this, but I'm hoping I'll start it at like 25 probably. This is a great brand. Have you guys found this brand? It's Beta brand. You should look them up because they're really cool. Beta brand makes kind of career trousers. I think their whole slogan is something like,
their premise slogan? I don't know what that would be. Idea?
If you're new to the channel, make sure to stay till the very end. That's where I put all my bloopers and we laugh and have fun. So I'll see you at the end of the video. I think the idea with Beta brand is these are nice enough trousers to wear to work, but they feel like yoga pants. So these are an XL, which is awesome. And this style has a sailor front. See the buttons there? I haven't seen the sailor front style, so I'll definitely look this up. I just listed another pair of these today, and comps for pre-owned Beta brand pants are in the $40 mark, between $40 and $50. So for a pre-owned item, I got these at Goodwill, so they were $6. And guess who I bumped into at the Goodwill? I swear, every time I'm driving by this one Goodwill on 4th Street, it's near my mom's house, I'm like, I bet your mom's in there. We call her Grammy because she's my son's Grammy. She's also known as Grateful Babette here on the channel. She's been in a few videos. She loves thrifting. She taught me all about the world of thrifting. And so I bumped into her. I'll make sure to put some footage in the video of bumping into my mom. Potentially, but These are a really unique pair of pants, and so I looked them up. Number one, they're linen. I love linen. I live in Northern California. We wear linen all year round. They're like a wide leg linen pants, and they have a very nice cut. Kind of remind me of Eileen Fisher, just very clean lines, and you can see the quality on them. I looked them up. I've never heard of this brand, Crea Concept. So the comps are all over the place, but it is a designer. I think it's a European brand, if I remember correctly. And these pants are 38. Yeah, so they're European. So I'm like, they're linen. They have really interesting lines. They're Euro sizing. Usually, that's a sign of a good pickup, a good piece that's going to sell well. And I will put lag and look in my title. These are gorgeous, actually. The more I look at them, they're really gorgeous. So, okay, so the two things I got at the hospice store were this and this. This, I think, was $4, the Lululemon, and this bolo item, it was $8, and I didn't want to pay $8, but I was willing to for this particular piece. So this is the brand Denim and Supply by Ralph Lauren. So that's a pretty good brand of itself.
In and of itself?
That's a pretty good brand in and of itself. The thing that's special about this is they no longer make Denim and Supply by Ralph Lauren. So if you were someone who liked that brand, you can't get it anymore new. So you can only find it on sites like eBay and Posh. But this has an Aztec print. See that Aztec print? It's also like this with Pendleton and some other classic brands. Aztec Southwestern stuff does amazing. So I did a quick check in the store on my phone to see, do I want to pay $8 for the sweater? And it's an extra small, but it's oversized. I was like, yes, I do. I think I can get, I don't know exactly what I can get. Maybe I'll do some comps when I make this video and I'll pop it up there. But I looked in the store and I was like, minimum $40. So keep your eye out for kind of classic brands that have this Aztec print. This is awesome. I'm not going to try it on. This is your friendly reminder to please subscribe to the channel. And if you turn on that little bell next to the subscribe, use my little bell hands, that'll notify you when I go live and when a new video comes out. I'm notorious for wanting to keep everything. It doesn't have any flaws. But when I pay up, and I'm talking, paying regular Goodwill prices as opposed to like the Goodwill outlet bins, or as opposed to getting stuff in a mystery box from Thredup where I'm paying $2.60. If I'm paying a full price of like $5, $6, $7, $8 at Goodwill, I want to know I can flip it. Now you guys know I'm a quick flipper. So I'm fine selling things for $10, $12, $15 bread and butter items all day long that I get in my mystery boxes. But if I'm going to pay $5 or $6, I want to know I can flip it for a decent profit. Which one are you guys? Like, in the reselling world, are you more of a quick flipper? You do a lot of mall brands, you sell a lot of quantity at lower price, or are you more of a very selective shopper? You only want to sell things for like $40 and up. Let us know in the comments. I always think that's a very interesting conversation. These are Madewell. I love the brand Madewell, but I don't pick up everything by Madewell. And see how there's a little tag thread hanging there? I always cut that out before I take pictures or send it off. It's just a little thing, but when you're buying something online, all you have to go on is the seller's description and photos, right? So if you see like a thread hanging or something, you might think maybe this is not in as great a shape. So I always cut off little imperfections like that. How awesome are these? They're rust color and they're a crinkle micro pleat or accordion pleat. Those are great keywords for you. They're a pull-on pants, high rise, wide leg crop, and this brand Madewell usually has a style number on the inner care tag. Right here, I see it. I will look that up. But I don't just buy the plain tops anymore. I buy things that I think are special or new. Like newer made. They don't have to be new with tags, but like they're current is the word I should use. Current, not new. Current. They're current styles. Okay. Oh, I love this piece so much too. This is Anthropologie. There's so much debate about what's Anthropologie and what's not.
What was sold at Anthropologie? What was it?
There are a lot of brands that are sometimes sold at Anthropologie, so people put Anthropologie in the title or description when maybe it wasn't even sold there. Anthropologie sometimes picks up certain brands. Now this is a no-brainer because it's by Anthropologie. Yes, Anthropologie has their own line, they make their own things, and then the name brand on it is Anthropologie, and I just think this is the cutest piece ever. It's a little pullover sweater vest with major ruffle details. Great, great color, great style. Ruffles are still so big. And the only thing I don't like about it is the size extra small, but I figure I'm taking a shot. This brand is so reliably good for me, you guys. Prana. Prana it's sold at places like REI. It's activewear, but it's mostly yoga. But this is one of these brands where it just seems like it does well for me, whether it's men's or women's, no matter what the piece is. You know, I just pick up Prana and it sells really great. These, I like the style of. They're a size small. They're a pull-on jogger pant. But look at that nice waist detail and pocket detail. And then they're a jogger because at the end they go down to an elastic ankle. So these are really cute. You know what they look like to me? Equestrian riding pants. Do you see the front and then see how they have stitching here to make it look like riding pants? Now, I pick up, if you ever see equestrian wear that you wear while you're riding horses, I always pick that stuff up. It's usually a good like pre-owned $50, $60 flip. But then there's a lot of pants that are designed to look equestrian, and I always put that in the title because I think people really like it. This is the last item, so this wasn't a huge haul, but this is a great brand that I do not find often, so I get excited when I do. Do you guys ever find this? The brand is Beyond Yoga, made in the USA. I own a couple things by this brand. It's kind of yoga wear, lounge wear. These are a pair of very high-waisted leggings. They're blue with like, almost like a silver metallic print. And these are a size medium, and these usually go around 40 bucks, but I'll try and check comps and pop it up. So I love it when I actually get to go out thrifting. You guys know that I'm a part-time reseller. I have a 10-year-old. I have other businesses. I would love to be out thrifting several times a week to get the inventory I need for my reselling business, but it's not possible, so I do a lot of mystery boxes. So it's always so fun and exciting when I get to go thrift for my business. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. The worst part of hauls is having to clean it up after. I'm looking at the pile. Did you guys see my video? My makeup, beauty, skincare unboxing video? That was an awesome box. I'm looking at it right now, trying to sort out what I should hoard and keep myself and what I should sell. Seriously, I don't know why I do this stuff. Oh my God, is that the sun, ladies and gentlemen? I live here in Northern California, and I think everyone thinks, oh, you're in Cali. It's gorgeous, and it is. But I live in Northern California, north of San Francisco, and so in the winter we get a lot of rain. Is this good? I need room to actually show the item because I'm doing a holly haul. I feel weird. I have my PD got me this Fitbit, which I totally love, but definitely doesn't go with my bohemian jewelry, does it? I look all sporty. Maybe I can tuck it up under my shirt. Now, is this face thing on? There it is. Okay. I'm sorry I'm all over the place. Like, with this haul. It's not a huge haul, so this, I'm getting a drink because I'm all over. It's great loungewear where you want to look cute and wear something of quality, even if you're at your house or like at, you know, loungewear. Is that what they call it now? Athleisure.